In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up a Wi-Fi or wired internet connection here on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. You're going to see two different options on here that you can use to connect to your internet with, but essentially go ahead and start on the Roku home screen and just scroll up or down until you see settings, and then from here go ahead and scroll over to the network section here. Select that and then go ahead and go to set up connection, and this is where you'll see those two options I was previously talking about, wireless and wired. Obviously wireless is for Wi-Fi and wired is for when you're using an Ethernet cable, which is only available if supported on specific Roku devices or Roku TVs. For this example, we're just going to select wireless. When you select this, it's going to scan for all those available networks. Essentially, you just got to find your Wi-Fi network name on here, go ahead and select it, enter in that password, and you'll be good to go. But if you still don't see it, go ahead and hit scan again to see all networks. Wait a few seconds while your Roku tests the wireless and internet connection after entering in your password, and from here your apps and streaming services will work normally and you'll be able to access all of them. It really is a pretty simple process, but if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.